Do you know that there's some herbal ingredients you need to put together and they will be the solution to those your hair problems? On today's video, I will show you the best herbal ingredient you need to combine together and they will solve your hair problem one for all. No more hair breakage, slow hair growth, thinning hair fall, itching scalp, and so many of them. These herbal ingredients I will show you today will solve those your hair problems and give you faster, thicker, longer hair growth with consistent of using them. So just stay tuned to see how to prepare it and how to use it to solve those your hair problems one for all. First thing is to be my jar, and the jar I'm using is super clean. Make sure yours is also clean. My first ingredient is bay leaf. Do you know that bay leaf can help to stop that hair fall, hair loss, hair breakage, regrow your hair, and speed up that faster hair growth, and also thicken up your hair? If you are letting down on bay leaf after watching today's video, you will not let down on bay leaf again and you'll start incorporating it on your hair regimen, and you'll be happy that you do so. And the good part of this bay leaf is everywhere, is easy to find, and I believe that many of us have it in our kitchen because we use it to cook delicious jollof rice in our home. So I just took some pieces of bay leaf, up to 5 to 6 pieces of bay leaf, and transfer it into my jar container. My next ingredient is black seed. If you are not be using black seed on your hair regimen, you are missing a lot. After this video, please start to use it, okay? I will be happy that you do so. Black seed is very powerful in stopping hair fall, hair loss, thicken up your weak hair, give you faster hair growth, stimulate blood flow in your scalp. Black seed is a very powerful herb that you don't need to joke with. If you really want to see that faster results on your hair, start using black seed now and you'll be very happy that you do so. And I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my black seed. Moving on to my third ingredient is cinnamon stick. You can use cinnamon powder if it's what you have. So I'm using 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is very powerful in stimulating blood flow. Cinnamon is very powerful in promoting hair growth, solving hair problems, okay, and give you that faster hair growth. My next ingredient is fenugreek seed. If you want to thicken up your hair faster, if you want to have fuller hair, start using fenugreek seed on your hair and you'll be very happy that you do so. Fenugreek seed is very powerful, both stopping hair fall, hair loss, controlling dandruff, itching scalp, and so many of them. Fenugreek seed is very powerful. Please start incorporating fenugreek seed and you'll be very happy that you do so. My next ingredient is coffee. If you want to darken your hair natural, incorporate coffee on your hair regimen. And if you want to see that faster hair growth, start using coffee. Like I said earlier, these ingredients we are using on today's video is carefully selected. These are the herbs that you need to start using on your hair and you will never regret it. If you want to see that crazy hair growth, these are the perfect herbal ingredients you need to start using in this 2025. Before ending of this year, your hair will never remain the same. These herbal ingredients are the one that can help you to solve those your hair problems with consistent of using it, and you will never ever regret that. So I just pour in hot water on them and I'm going to infuse this for 24 hours. Yes, I want this my tea spray to be very potent and very effective. That's why I'm going for 24 hours because they are all dry ingredients. So to make it very powerful and very effective is to infuse it for 24 hours. You can as well do boiling method, but I like doing infusion method. After 24 hours, our herbal tea spray is ready to be used. Do you see how darker and rich this tea spray look like? This tea spray is indeed a solution to that problems. Believe me, this tea spray will never disappoint you. If other of my tea spray have been disappointing you, this one will not disappoint you. Just try to be consistent with it and you see that magic happen on your hair, and you see those your hair problem will start be solving with only DT spray. You don't need to break the bank to see your hair grow to your heart desire. You don't need to break the bank to solve those your hair problems. These herbs that we use in today's video, I believe that we have them in our kitchen and they are very easy to find. So there's no how you tell me that you don't have all these ingredients in your area. So please combine them together the same way I combine them together in this video, and use exactly the same way I use it, and you see your hair transform from nothing to something. 100% guarantee results. There's no joke. Just try to be consistent, because consistent is key of natural herbal ingredients. Okay, so now let me show you how to apply it on your hair to get that good results, to solve those your hair problems and promote that crazy faster hair growth. I'm using it now as usual as my tea spray. Do you know why I like using my herbal tea as a tea spray or as a leave-in tea spray? Because this is the one of the best way to see the faster results with my herbal tea sprays. If you allow your herbal tea spray to sit on your hair, believe me, is the best way to use them than ever. So that's why I always use them as my leave-in tea spray, because I get the most faster, effective, powerful results with it than rinsing them out or using them as a pre-poo or other ways them. So if you want to solve those your hair problem faster, please use it as your leave-in tea spray. And after applying it on your hair, follow up with your leave-in condition, your oil to see in the moisture. It's very, very important. Do not just apply it and leave it like that, okay? You'll not get that good results. So sealing in the moisture will help the tea spray to sit on your hair and do that work it meant to do on your hair. And do not apply this on a dirty hair, please. If your hair is dirty when you come across this video, please wash your hair, make your hair to be super clean, so that you can apply this tea spray on your hair to get that good results. Don't use it on a dirty hair, please, okay? If you have any problem area you want to tackle, just focus this tea spray under your problem areas. Consistent with it, your hair will never remain the same. There is no joke. A trial will convince you. You see your hair start getting thicker. If your hair is weak, your hair will start getting thicker, longer, fuller, darker. Your hair fall will stop. Your hair breakage will stop. That itchy scalp will stop. So many of things that this tea spray will help you to solve. Just try to be consistent. And also, our advice to you, try to put your hair in protective hairstyle. As you can see in this video, I just put my hair in a big twist, okay? So if you don't have time to put your hair in a proper protective hairstyle, putting your hair in this type of protective hairstyle, put mine, is better than leaving your hair out like that. So leaving your hair out like that will not do any good for you, rather it will do harm to you. So how many times can you apply this tea spray on your hair to see best results? Use it 3 to 4 times in a week. If you want to see the faster result, you can go challenge with this tea spray. Use it every day on your hair for straight 2 weeks, and you come back and tell me thank you. I can't wait to get your feedback in this tea spray. But this tea spray is super potent and very, very effective. There is no joke. Just try to be consistent, okay? And you will never ever regret coming across this video. Storage. This can last only but 5 days to 7 days in your refrigerator. After then, please, if there's anyone that remaining, discard it and make a fresh batch, okay? I hope you have seen the best herbal ingredients to put together to grow your hair like never before. There's no joke. You can also infuse these herbal ingredients together as your oil and also make them as your tea spray. Believe me, consistent of using them, believe me, your hair will never ever remain the same. A trial will convince you. I have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed, help me to subscribe, share this video, like, okay? It really encouraged me a lot, and also it helped the growth of the channel. I love you guys so much. If you have any question, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.